Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Many people say, I have faith in God. But when you look at their life, there was no movement, no obedience, but they just keep on praying and waiting. But what does the Bible say about faith? Faith without work is dead. Faith is invisible, yes, but its evidence is never invisible. You cannot see faith, but you can always see what faith produces in your life. Some people pray for change, but they don't want to take steps. They pray for breakthrough, but they won't obey the instruction God has given them. Prayer is powerful, no doubt about it. But prayer without obedience, it's not faith. It is just a spiritual wishful thinking. You see, if we look at the scriptures, Noah himself prayed, but he also built the ark. David himself prayed, but he also ran towards Goliath. Now, if you look at it, every miracle that is happening in the Bible is always connected to someone who moves. But today, many people would say, I'm waiting for God. But the truth is, God is waiting on you. You see, waiting on God is not just about sitting still and doing nothing. Waiting is about preparing. Waiting is about obeying and making that step, even if you don't see the full picture yet. Because real faith changes your choices. It changes your habits and your priorities. Feeling alone do not prove that real faith is there, but your footsteps and your movement, that would prove about faith. So dear brothers and sisters, don't just say, I have faith in God, but you have to show it. Don't just pray God to move in your life, but you need to move with Him. Because when you move, your faith moves, heaven moves with you. James 2 verse 18, it is said, show me your faith without work, and I will show you my faith by my works. Hope this helps, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.